China Kndele Electric Company Limited always takes creating value for customers as its business philosophy and provides customers with the best solutions of low-voltage industrial control with concentrated attention. At present, there are more than 20 series products in Kndele Electric, which main products are button switch, signal lamp, normal limit switch, universal changeover switch, and others. LA167 B2 series products are mature and widely used, especially in mechanical equipment, elevator lifting industry with multi-layer contact combination connection and 2 times 1.5 horizontal wire screw connection. B2 series products are manufactured by zinc alloy casting process, which are anti-knock and anti-corrosion, and are installed with a twin screw and high anti-vibration coefficient. The safety of personnel is always what we care about, the anti-finger touch design and automatic branding function. The research and the development personnel of the company took several years to test and verify, then they put forward the solution of microcurrent environment, which solved the problem of more contact in the industry effectively in view of the application of PLC and other microcurrent scenarios. The mechanical life with more than 1 million times will make sure the lifetime of your equipment. The product production performance can reach IP65 level to meet more environmental requirements for the excellent manufacturing technique and design with waterproof rings. Various replaceable head size and unique anti-friction and wear-resistant technology can be customized in research and development for special industries. LA167 D8 series products are installed with nuts and buttons with special installation wrenches to meet the rapid installation requirements of complete cells, distribution boxes, cabinets, commercial kitchens, and other industries. D8 series products use the design of fast-acting structure, and there is self-cleaning function in the touch spout. When dust in the yard absorbs on the surface of the touch spout, it will rub and clean itself to ensure the current conveyance. B2 series and D8 series have corresponding patented products with high protection, which protection performance reaches IP67 level. Flight buttons and lamp products use medical silica gel as ceiling protection cover, which are oil-resistant, temperature-resistant, tear-resistant, and easy to install and replace. Rotary knob products can also meet the requirements of high protection by changing the structure to prevent dust and water vapor intrusion. LA167 S series products use 304 stainless steel metal shell, which are used in the new energy fields such as electric vehicles, charging piles, and high-tech equipment such as medicine, laser, access control, and so on. The excellent appearance and IK09 level resistance features are very popular with users. S-series products are built in high protection measures, which protection level can reach IP67 level. Gold-plated touch spouts are antioxidant and corrosion resistant. The overall high protection performance is enough to bear all kinds of harsh environments. S-series has a variety of head styles, light-emitting forms. There are pin type, wiring terminal type, and plug-in type, which can be freely customized to wiring length for wiring forms. Your requirements are the direction of our efforts. Our professional research and development and production team will provide you with the most perfect and efficient solutions. Kndele Electric Company Limited will continue to produce quality products, provide good services, and create value for customers through meticulous parts control, exquisite production technology, and excellent management concept.